If earning in foreign currency is something that you desire, then this is the right video to watch. I am Kyle Olabi from OK Media, and in today's video, I'll be walking you through a proven strategy on how you can earn a minimum of $100 per month from the comfort of your home, and irrespective of wherever place that you reside. Another interesting part about this is the fact that you can start with just your smartphone. Yes, just your smartphone. But before we dive deeper into today's video, I've got two important information to share with you. One, towards the end of this video, I'll be granting you an access to a link where you'll be able to download a free gift that is worth $20. And that's roughly about 34,000 naira. So endeavor to watch this video to the end so that you can have access to this free gift. Two, support my channel. As you can see, this is a new channel, and it is my desire to assist entrepreneurs to grow their finances legitimately. So I would be glad if you can assist my channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. Kindly do that, please. So without much ado, let us go straight into today's business. If you have heard about the word freelancing, then the strategy I'm about to share with you here is similar to freelancing. But for the sake of those that have not heard about the word freelancing, let me quickly explain it with this illustration. Assuming a book author wrote the contents of his book, but because he's not good in graphics designing and every other part of the project, he decided to outsource it to professionals. The graphics designer will design the book cover, while the proofreader will eliminate errors and correct omissions in the book. The publisher will handle the branding and the packaging of the book, while the marketer will publicize and sell the book. So these professionals are all freelancers, and the services they render is called freelancing. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 companies that will pay you in foreign currency just for you to perform little tasks like writing reviews, testing apps, and others, even with just your smartphone. Now, the least each of these companies is willing to pay per tax is $10. And after 14 days, you will be able to withdraw your fund. But there is a catch to this. For some of these companies, you have to be above 16, while others, you have to be above 18. Now, imagine you could perform just 2 of these tasks for each of these companies per month. That is going to be $20 times 5. That is $100. And now, $100 in Naira. That is approximately 160,000 Naira per month. It is getting interesting, right? Okay. So if you're above 18 years old, then the next on my agenda now is to tell you these companies, then show you how you can register on their platform. So are you ready? If yes, then let's go.
So the first on my list is usertesting.com. And like you can see on the URL here. So they pay you to test, take reviews and all that. So if you want to get inside, this is their main site. But if you want to become a tester, this site is for people that give them a testing job like their own client. But if you want to become a tester, you scroll up and click get paid to test. Okay. So when you click that, it will bring you here. So you can see get paid to test, boost your monthly income in your free time. So here you can use either your phone, your laptop, depending on the tax at hand. You can see how it works. You apply, then you browse through the available test. You take the test, then you get paid. You can see any opportunity, survey, recorded test, then live conversation. Live conversation, of course, you might need like a laptop. Okay, like you can see via video call. Of course, you can use your phone also. So survey, recorded test, and live conversation. So these are the testimonial of people that have participated. And these are the questions, they are frequently asked questions. Now, do I have to pay to become a contributor? No. What kind of device do I need? You can see Windows, Mac, iOS, Android. So this is a configuration for the kind of Android that you will need. Okay. What else? What else? Nothing more. So you just enter your email, then you get started. So they will send you a form to fill, and that's just it. Now the second on my list is enrollapp.com. You can see the spelling, enrollapp.com. So here also, you're just going to be testing websites. Like they will give you a link to a website where you would test how the website perform and you give feedback. So be the first to test anywhere. You can be anywhere. You can use your phone or your desktop or your laptop. Then you would earn, and they pay via PayPal. So you already have 651,315 people that are tested their products. So be the first, take test anywhere. So you can reside anywhere and take your test, then you get rewarded. And their aim is to change the world. So you click enroll me and you can start your registration. Like you can log in here or sign up, or to join their paid service where you be paid, you click enroll now and it will bring you up here. So that about Enrollapp. The third on my list is test.io. This is test.io. You can see the URL. So to become a tester, you would click here. You click become a tester, and will bring you to this interface where you can go through the requirements. You can see you can work from anywhere to earn extra income and test the latest app. This is just like tested app. You install, see how it performs, give your feedback, and you can delete it back. Okay, so the registration to testing is just in 5 steps. You first register, then you get approval, then you start testing and learning, then you build your testing credibility. Okay, then you become a great tester. So that is just it. All you just have to do is click the become a tester button, and you'll be taken to where you would register. So this is how it looks. Okay, so you're just going to sign up. Okay, it's about test.io. Okay, so the next on my list, which is the fourth one, is nest.testbed.com. So when you enter this URL, you'll be taken here. So you can see earn money in your spare time. So what you be testing are softwares here, like you would download a software, test it, and see how it performs. Then you give your feedback. So if you're not a member, this is where you would register. Now, like you see, they are question for your date of birth to know if you're above 18. Then you have to read their terms and conditions. So this pays in euro. Okay, the pay is in euro. So you can see if you earn 20 euro or 15 pounds, or you earn in pounds rather. So you can use any of your device to perform the task. So those are testimonials. Then you scroll down, you can click here. So you'll be taken up back here. So you just fill this, then you can continue from there. Now the fifth, which is the last on my list here, is userlytics.com. Okay, and this is it. So you can see you need to be above 16 years old. So what you just do is you test, you earn, and you repeat the process. Okay, so there are 3 steps to take. Easy steps: you apply, then you test and share your insights, then you earn money online. So to start, you just click start testing now. You'll be taken back here where you will fill the form. So it's as simple as that. You can go through yourself and see how much they pay, then check their frequently asked questions to get to know more about this. Okay.
Now that you know these 5 companies, the next thing to do is to register on their platform and become a tester right away. And start making your $100 per month with your smartphone. Now to the gift that I promised you. I have included a link in the description below to access an ebook titled 10 websites that will pay you in US dollars. All you need to do is just click this link and you have a free access to it. Finally, if you have found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, then drop me a comment in the comment section. So I come your way again. Bye.